Hey, what's up, y'all? New video, new day, Labor Day weekend. It's Saturday. Got 3 days off, baby. Got Sunday and Monday, and I go back to work Tuesday. But I'm gonna make the best of it. Relaxation is key. Relaxation is number one. It's my number one priority when it comes to these holiday weekends. As far as the kick it will be there. Am I gonna really get into something tonight? Who knows? We'll see. You know, I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. It's still early. It's like 7:20 right now. And I got an event that I'm about to step out to as soon as I'm done with this video. So that's about it. Let's see where we're going to go from here. I don't want to spend no more time. I'm not going to exceed 10 minutes. Keep it short. I'm testing this Takstar SGC-598 microphone. I got it on the lowest setting as far as dBs. I want to see if the sound picks up. I got the microphone about a good 5 to 6 feet away, and I'm seeing if it's going to pick up nice clarity, nice comfortable sound without too much background hiss. My original mic that I have is a Saramonic SR-M3, and it got a hissing sound to it. And I bought it refurbished, so at first I thought it was a microphone. Then I did some research thinking that, or realizing that I had to do some tweaking in my actual camera itself. My audio was set on auto. So once I did some tweaking, I put it on manual, and I adjusted the recording sound level to my liking, to the best of my ability for the moment. And I'm gonna see if that makes a difference. Because I like that Saramonic mic. Even though it's refurbished, I think it works just fine. I think it's just up to me to figure it out. So I bought this Takstar, which is supposed to be comparable to a lot of microphones, a lot more expensive. And we gonna figure it out. You know what I'm saying? This thing it's gonna get some work. I'm definitely gonna use it. I'm using it right now. I don't even have the other mic with me. So when I get home, I'm gonna compare videos. I'm gonna compare sound, and I'm gonna see which one is gonna be my go-to when I'm doing outdoor shooting. Now I have a video mic that I keep in the house. It's connected to a boomstick and all that. Worst case scenario, if I gotta break that out and take that on the road with me, we're gonna do that. But I'm gonna make these two microphones work, and then we'll see where it goes from there. But I'm just hanging out. I think I got everything within view, within frame. You know, I got my all white kicks on, got my Jordan 1s on, and these are my kicking shoes. These are my summertime shoes. Every man should have a pair of fresh whites in his closet. Whether it be the Jordan 1s, whether it be your Air Force 1s, whether it be your Adidas shell toes, or whether it be, let's say, old school, some Reebok Classics or some Cortez Nikes. You need a fresh pair of all white shoes. Now for y'all new cats who want the Gucci, Louis stuff and all that, that's for y'all to discuss on y'all videos. But I'm gonna keep it old school. I'm gonna keep it 80s and 90s to the present day. I'm sticking with my shell toes. I'm sticking with my Jordan 1s, or let's say my Air Force 1s, or whatever type of Jordan. But you got to keep a fresh pair of whites, whether it be, let's say, K-Swiss, or what else I want to throw out there. It might be some all-white feelers. You know what I mean? Just however you want to do it. But today I'm rocking with the Air Force. I mean, not the Air Force, but the Air Jordan 1 mids. I fuck with these. All around shoe for me. I can wear them in the winter. I can wear them in the summer. And I got multiple colors. So that's my look today. But anyway, I need to learn how to edit. I need to find some time to sit my ass down and play with this editor. I'm gonna work with Shotcut because it's free. I'm dealing with all the freebie joints. Free Shotcut, everything cheap, everything on a budget. And I'm gonna see what I can do with that stuff. And if I need to invest in more expensive equipment or video editor that's worth paying money for. All that stuff. I'm not paying for nothing extra until I learn with what I have. This is what they always say about cameras, or let's say just different types of equipment. The best camera you have is the one you already have, the one you already own. So you can always upgrade, but if you master the one you already have, there you have it. So we're going to figure it out, and we're going to see where we go from there. But so far, so good. I'm going to go home, and I'm going to put this in the computer and see what the sound sounds like. All right.